TradevView Trader Pro. How to use the chart intervals software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss chart intervals. The interval window appears in the upper left corner of the chart toolbar. To change the interval, left-click on the drop-down list. Then choose the desired interval. The chart will draw bars based on your selection. Notice the drop-down list displays a variety of intervals to choose from. Tick, 1 minute, 5 minutes, to daily, as well as custom, and edit list. Custom. If you do not see the interval you desire in the drop-down menu, you may choose your own interval by selecting Custom. Here, you will see several options. Time-based. Type in a number and the duration in time. You can select seconds to months. For example, 30 minutes or 1 week. If you select the option week or month, you cannot type in a number. Tick bar will display a certain number of trades per bar. For example, a 100 tick chart displays 100 trades in a bar. Volume-based charts display the number of contracts traded per bar. For example, a 1000 contract chart displays 1000 contracts traded in a bar. Range bar displays a specified range between the high and low. Only when the range has been exceeded will a new bar be created. In this case, a 20-tick range will show 20 ticks from the high to the low. For example, the high is 28.75 3/4, and the low is 28.70 3/4, a difference of 5 points or 20 ticks. The Ignore Session Boundaries option can be activated. This allows a bar to overlap from one trading session to the next. Otherwise, if the checkbox is not selected, the last bar of the day may not meet the specified range. For example, the last bar of yesterday's session displays the high as 28.57 1/4 and the low as 28.54 3/4, a difference of 2.5 points or only 10 ticks. Momentum bars are very similar to range bars. The difference with momentum bars and range bars is that the open of the bar is never equal to the close of the prior bar. N line break. Line break charts are similar to point and figure charts. N represents the number of lines. Click the Over button to open a second custom time frame window. I'll leave as 1 minute and click OK. Therefore, I will create a 3-line break over 1 minute chart. Edit list. If you have added a number of custom intervals, you can remove items from the drop-down menu by going to the Edit List option. This will open the Manage Intervals window. To remove an interval, left-click on the interval, then click on Delete. Then press Yes. To set an interval as your default, left-click on the interval and click Set Default. Once you are finished making changes, click Apply and close the window.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.